Is it time to buy or sell Hawaiian Electric Industries stock? In this video, we will delve into Hawaiian Electric Industries. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. As of the 16th of July, 2025, our system has classified Hawaiian Electric Industries as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let us examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. During this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, showing a gain of approximately 20.58% since we initially recommended purchasing Hawaiian Electric Industries 32 days ago. This equates to an average return of about 0.64% per day since its designation as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot predict the stock's next movement as it could potentially swing in either direction. The stock has broken through a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even more robust rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the level of $12.10, a point that may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $13.01 is projected to be the next potential peak, representing a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 13.34% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from negative 1.67% to positive 6.36%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 7.84%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 26.98% to negative 0.637% over the next year. This would imply a future price range between $9.41 and $12.81. Our latest daily update for Hawaiian Electric Industries includes the headline, Hawaiian Electric Industries Incorporated stock price ended at $12.89 on Thursday, after gaining 2.22%. The Hawaiian Electric Industries Incorporated stock price gained 2.22% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, rising from $12.61 to $12.89. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.08%, with a low of $12.52 and a high of $12.90. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 954,000 more shares were traded than the day before, resulting in 3 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $37.11 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $13.18, while the lowest price was $8.14. Currently, the price is 2.20% or 290 cents higher, below the 52-week high, and 76.63% or $42.26, below the all-time high on March 18, 2020, when the price reached $55.15. Hawaiian Electric Industries held its second quarter 2025 earnings call on August 7th, following a first quarter discussion in May and an earlier announcement of first quarter results. Investors are analyzing those conference calls for updates on capital spending, progress in rate cases, and plans to repair a stretched balance sheet, all themes that have dominated coverage this year. In the short term, expect Hawaiian Electric stock to react to any surprises from quarterly results, management commentary on near-term cash flow and financing, and regulatory signals from Hawaiian regulators. Volatility will also increase around news of debt refinancing, rate decisions, or larger than expected outage or weather costs. Over the longer term, the stock's trajectory will depend on the successful execution of grid modernization and renewable integration projects, measurable improvement in leverage metrics, and steady regulatory approvals that expand the regulated asset base. If Hawaiian Electric can stabilize its balance sheet and achieve favorable rate outcomes, long-term earnings and dividend support could follow. Failure to do so, or rising financing costs, would negatively impact valuation and investor confidence. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned HE an equal weight rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned HE an underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 28th of May, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned HE an underweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 22nd of January, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned HE an equal weight rating with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 10th of January, 2023, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned HE an underweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Hawaiian Electric Industries stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Hawaiian Electric Industries. The Hawaiian Electric Industries Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $12.21 and $11.19. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, July 15, 2025, and so far, it has risen by 23.23%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 33 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 33 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 32 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 36 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Hawaiian Electric Industries. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $12.20 and $11.17. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Hawaiian Electric Industries Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $12.20. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.17 and $10.79. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 385 thousandths of a dollar between high and low, or 3.08%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Hawaiian Electric Industries, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of November, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Hawaiian Electric Industries. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Hawaiian Electric Industries encounters its first support level at $12.20. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Hawaiian Electric Industries from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 13th of August 2025, Peggy Y. Fowler conducted an insider purchase of 11,759 shares of common stock. On the same day, Peggy Y. Fowler also executed an insider sale of 11,759 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June 2025, Celeste Ann Connors conducted an insider purchase of 11,759 shares of common stock. On that same day, Micah A. Kane also conducted an insider purchase of 11,759 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 30th of June 2025, Elysia Flores conducted an insider purchase of 11,759 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of 54.833. In total, insiders purchased 311,898 shares and sold 152,864 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.48, representing a decline of 3.18%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 91, which significantly heightens the risk factor. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom identified 32 days ago. Is Hawaiian Electric Industries stock a good buy? Hawaiian Electric Industries Incorporated presents several positive indicators, yet we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting you maintain your position or accumulate further shares while monitoring upcoming developments. After assessing the volatility and fluctuations from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of August, we anticipate Hawaiian Electric Industries will open lower by 12 cents, beginning trading at $12.77. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is imperative to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.